Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Adelia Nuraini dengan NPM akhir 114. Good morning student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I am so glad to greet you. Student, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17, 1945. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet. Okay, don't worry because I don't like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So, now please listen to me. Student, we know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence gives a very important meaning to the Indonesian people. And there are 8 national figures who made it released. Those are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Suparjo, Admiral Tadasi Meda, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and PM Dia. Then the first figure is E.R. Soekarno. Is one of the people who contributed in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, East Java, on June 6, 1901, and died in Jakarta on June 21, 1970. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Meda with Bung Hatta. He then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesia independence at his residence at Pagangsaan Timur Street, number 56, Jakarta. Dr. Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980. At the age of 77, Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Suparjo. He participates in signing the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesia Vice President. Ahmad Suparjo Jojo di Surjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15, 1978 at the age of 82 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Suparjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role is preparing prepare the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Ahmad Suparjo participates in compiling the concept of the text of the proclamation and the host of Admiral Tadasi Meda with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadasi Meda was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft text of Proclamation of Indonesia Independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At this house, it was gathered national figures that had great contributions. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy from the Indonesian people. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java on July 14, 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971. At the age of 54, his full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarni was a young leader and a hero who was persistent against the invaders. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sing the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatimah, was Insinyur Soekarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1980. She is buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati saved the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised and the proclamation of Indonesia independence at Pagangsaan Timur Street number 56, Jakarta. The text of the Proclamation of Independence was typed by Sayuti Melik. Sayuti Melik is a youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Sayuti Melik typed the script of proclamation to perfect in from Bung Karno handwriting. The text of the proclamation was original handwriting by Soekarno, then typed by Sayuti Melik to make it look neat. Original text was then thrown into the trash. One of the young men who was present at the preparing of Indonesia independence was B.M. Dia. B.M. Dia took the original manuscript from the trash can and kept it. He considered that the text had a history. The original manuscript that were kept by B.M. Dia from 46 years, 9 months, 19 days were later returned to the Indonesian nation. He broke the original text of the Indonesian Independence Proclamation on Tuesday morning, 19 May 1992, then 30 m, and handed it over the President Soeharto. The manuscript was then kept by the National Archive on Soeharto recommendation. B.M. Dia decision to keep the original manuscript was very precious. Therefore, the entire Indonesian have been able to enjoy the original text of the proclamation and have learned a lot from what happened at that time. Students, that's all of eight national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep this independence be rising default feeling to our country. And I think that's all of our text today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next week. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.